Good morning, my loves. How are you today? Have to clean out the fridge in the apartment and the presses in the apartment as well, because obviously there's going to be food stuff going into the apartment and there's going to be stuff going into the fridge, and it is a holy mess right now. And I'm like addicted to Mrs. Hinch at the moment, like I think everybody in the whole world is. So I've been like watching all her cleaning stuff and tips on how to clean fridges and sinks. Our sink is blocked in the kitchen. It's been blocked since before we even decided that we're going to do up the apartment. So I'm going to have to try and find a way to unplug or unblock the sink. I don't know how to do that. Like, do I use drain unblocker or do I do like carbonated soda and white vinegar? I just don't know if that's going to work, because I feel like it's probably years of stuff stuck in it. I feel like I may need to get like Mr. Muscle or something and actually pour it down the drain and sink unplugger unblocker thing. I'm actually pour it down the sink because it's a little bit out of hand. Like, it's completely and utterly blocked. I know I'm talking about a blocked sink to you guys. You're probably like, what? That's just boring. I have to edit yesterday's vlog, and I have to also edit my vlog from Portugal. I think that's basically all I'm at today. Then I'm also strongly considering booking myself in to get my extensions back in next week. I really want to get them back in. I know you guys are probably like, no, don't do it to your hair, but I just am so sick of short hair and I really want to change. I know like I have hair extensions and stuff to clip in, but I just want to change. I'm just fed up with the short hair now. I've had it since April. No, I've not. I've had it since March, the end of March. So what's that, March? I've had it for 6 months, so I'm just kind of like over the short hair. It is lovely, it's nice, it's healthy and stuff, so let's go and damage it all again with hair extensions. I'm only joking. Like, hair extensions don't really damage your hair if you actually get them applied properly and, you know, don't have them in for a really long time. So I might just leave them in for 6 months and then take them out again for 6 months. I don't know what I'm thinking. I'm just putting that out there into the universe. Perhaps I will get my hair extensions done, who knows. It's very expensive, like hair extensions, so it's kind of like a treat, like a really expensive treat for yourself. And at the moment I'm kind of like more into like doing up the apartment, but now since all the painting and stuff is kind of finished in the apartment, I feel like I could get my hair extensions done, because I feel like what would be the point getting them done and then going in painting the apartment and doing stuff in the apartment. It's just nonsensical. So we're gonna hit the shops today. I think I'm gonna go to Home Savers and then Tesco's, because I didn't go there yesterday, and I was supposed to go there yesterday. I ended up not. I ended up going to Deals. Is that where I went? Yeah, I went to Deals and a couple of other places. So that is on the agenda today. Nothing major, nothing very exciting. I'm not going to film today because my head is exploding. Like, I have such a bad headache. And John got me these, where are they? He got me these like painkillers when we were in Portugal, because obviously I had like cramps and stuff that time of the month, and he is so good. I was like lying in the like the fetal position moaning, and he was like, what can I do, how can I help? And I was like, just get me painkillers. And then he went to the pharmacy and the girl gave him these like really good Nurofen, like they're just ibuprofen, but really good. They don't have them in Ireland. They're in a pink box, so I've never seen them in Ireland before, but they really help. Took 2 there now, and hopefully they're going to help me the migraine situation. I just don't want it to become full-blown migraine, and it just feels like it's going that way. So I need to get out of the house and get some fresh air and walk around and pretend like it's not happening, because if I sit around and look at a computer screen, it will get worse, and if I film and stuff, it will just get worse. Like, vlogging's easy, but being in front of the computer if you have migraines is really not good, and it just takes a lot out of you. It takes a lot out of you. I'm going to get dressed now, and then I'm going to head off to Tesco's and Home Savers. Yeah, that's the exciting trip that I'm going to be undertaking today. Colder weather is officially here, guys. I had a long sleeve top on, a hoodie, and I'm wearing tracks bombs because I am going over to clean, obviously, but it is super cold. We're not in Portugal anymore. We are not. I am frozen, and I'm gonna put on like my white Zara puffy jacket from last year. That's how cold it's gotten. Yeah, scary. Go and get some cleaning supplies, because I told you I need to clean my fridge and oven and stuff over in the apartment. So at least if I have that done today, then that's one job down, and it's a dirty job as well, a really dirty job. So I have the hair tied up, I have my, well, they're kind of work clothes like tracksuit, you know, You know the story, you don't want to be wearing like your jeans when you're doing it. And gonna go get my cleaning supplies. I think I need an oven cleaner. I need a sink unblocker, drain blocker thing. And I need like a scrubby brush for cleaning the oven. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So come along with me if you wanna see what I'm doing today. Wow, I'm getting very excited over cleaning. It is really nice though, because it is like John and I's, it's our own place, it's our own apartment. It's just so nice, like even doing little things like that, because you're like, this is ours, it's ours. Okay, this is what a dying person looks like. I am freezing, it's so cold. Gee Louise, it's absolutely bitter. Actually, did I ever show you these tea towels? I don't think I did. Mum got me them. And they're so cute, they're Beauty and the Beast. So we've got, ooh, let's turn that. Why am I out of breath? I just ran up the stairs though because I got my charger. So there's Lumiere here. And then we've got Chip and Mrs. Potts on this side. My mum is so cute. Like she bought these for me ages ago. Ages and ages ago. And I had never even seen these in Pennies, and yeah, she got them for me. I'm so excited for them. You are going in my new home. I'm gonna go to my storage unit as well at some stage today because I want to get a lamp out of there. We've no lamps or anything like that in the apartment, and I wanted to get one of my lamps just for the kitchen for the time being. It's not like a permanent lamp. John's writing to me, I think the carpet guys are coming soon. He said that he was talking to the carpet people and they were ringing me but getting my answering machine. Well, that's a bit strange because I've had my phone with me and I didn't get any missed calls and I didn't get any voicemails. Oh well, anyway, the carpets are coming. They're coming, they're coming, they're coming. And he gave us a discount, which sounds good. That's what John says after texting me. So carpets are coming this week. And our bed is here, as you guys know. And what else is going on? What else do we have? I think I told you all that. And I need to clean the grout and stuff. So the kitchen's like my major tackling thing today. It's the major thing that I'm going to tackle, as well as editing videos and stuff, which can be done later on this evening. But I'm going to tackle into cleaning because I know John is going to have absolutely no interest whatsoever in the cleaning. And at least if I can get that kind of done and out of the way today, and then this evening I can sit and do my work and stuff, because I'm kind of done with the painting portion of the apartment. I'm ready for the nice bits now, like the homeware stuff and, you know, fitting all those things in. I forgot my Invisalign as well, so I took them out, and that's probably actually why I have a headache today, is because I put new Invisalign in last night, and sometimes the new Invisalign give me a headache because obviously they're moving my teeth. I'm nearly done my Invisalign as well, lads. This is crazy. I can't believe it. It's been a journey and a half. Okay, here we are. Let's go, 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 go. I might get a Caesar salad as well, just to bring over to the apartment, just for something to eat, because obviously there's no food in the house. And I think I might get some milk as well, just like a little small carton, because I'm going to buy some coffee now, just to have coffee in the apartment, you know, when I'm working, or some tea bags or something, just to have them there, you know, because they're essentials. Tea and coffee, essential of life. Oh my god, guys, I'm in Tesco's, and look how cute these little cups and mugs are. Aren't they so cute? I already have like loads of mugs and stuff, but I don't know, can you ever have enough? I kind of want one of these presses as well for coffee. French press, isn't that what they're called? So cute, like all the little placemats and stuff. We don't have a table, so there's absolutely no point, but I just thought I'd show you guys. They have the cutest things in Tesco's ever. Oh my god, I love these mugs and stuff. They're just so cute. So we weren't very exciting. We got the Flash. This is the Ultra Power. This is for multi-surface concentrate cleaning. I'm going to clean out the fridge, and I'm just hoping that this will help, because there's no bleach or anything in it, and I don't want to be using anything like that, you know, obviously where there's going to be food. This is for the oven. I'm hoping that it will work. And then I told you that our drain is blocked, and the Mr. Muscle one was like €8, and I was like, oh my god, this one will do. It was $2.50. So hopefully this will help me with my fridge and my sink and my oven cleaning. And I also got a teeny tiny milk because I'm not obviously going to plug in the fridge or turn on the fridge until it's dry. So I just brought that because it won't go off. It's cold enough anyway. Okay, second haul of the day. We went to Home Savers, which is also known as B&M in the UK, and I got these non-scratch sponge scourers. I've gone through a whole pack of these cleaning up the apartment. I picked up these because I love them and I just saw them. Hello Mrs. Hinch! We got the pine scented toilet cleaner. My nanny, my dad's mum, used to use this all the time, and every time I smell this it brings me right back to my nanny's house and her bathroom. I don't know why, but I think it's just she always had this smell in her bathroom and it's very nostalgic for me, the smell of it. And then I got this mug in B&M or Home Savers. I keep calling it B&M. I'm so used to looking at UK YouTubers, but it was a jumbo mug. It's massive and it was only $1.99, and like you can fit your whole hand in there. Look at the size of it. It's massive. So I'm gonna get tea bags and coffee, and we're gonna have our first cup of tea in the apartment. Look at the dirt of this. You know, I'm going around with all these cleaning things and my car looks like a tip, like an absolute tip. And John's dad always says you can tell a lot from a person from the inside of their car. So what does it say about me, I wonder? What on earth does it say about me? Okay, so I'm just after coming out of Deals, my last stop before I go to the apartment, and I only got a few bits. So the first thing I got was this little duster thing for dusting down the counters. It's pretty dusty in there after like all the sawing and stuff like that. Last thing I got was Peaceful Waters candle. It smells amazing. It was only €3. Usually candles, oh my god, it smells so good. It smells really fresh. There's another one in there called Spa or something, and I was going to get that one. So I'm going to put all of the stuff that I have gotten today into my Deals bag to bring over to the apartment. Wow, I'm exhausted after that. So I've all my shopping done, all my cleaning equipment ready to go clean the oven. And let's get started on the sink and on blocking that, I guess. There we go, all lit up. So I'm gonna go into my bag of tricks here and find what we have. No, this is what I'm looking for. So I'm not really sure how this one works. With the Mr. Muscle one, you pour half in and you leave it and you don't touch the sink, and then you pour the other half in after a while. So I'll have to read the directions on this. I followed the instructions, said to pour the whole thing down there. This is really bad. It's so badly clogged. Look at, like, even I can't really clean the sink out properly because it won't drain properly. It's so gross. So hopefully this works. Job. Let's do the toilet. Oh, I keep forgetting about this grout. I have to clean that as well. So cleaning the toilet. There is still stones down the toilet. I don't know how I'm gonna get them all out. It's when the roof up there, it fell, like all the bits of stones and stuff fell into the toilet. So I'm gonna have to like reach my hand in and actually take them all out, which is so gross, but I have to. And it is, in she goes. Just gonna leave that there for a while to sit, and then I'm gonna get a scrubber and clean it because I don't have a toilet brush yet. I used to love these when I was a kid. I used to eat the chocolate off it, and then like eat the white bit on the inside last. Delicious. I wonder if it's been 15 minutes. Could I see if the sink is done, like? Maybe we should check. So I went back and I actually had proper coffee. So we're gonna put these two together. I didn't need the milk in the end. And boil the kettle to make a coffee. See what this is like. So exciting. I'm home, and I'm just sitting on my bed gonna dig into some Lucky Charms. I just put some milk in there. I know, not a great evening snack, but it's what I wanted, and that's what I'm gonna have. So it's gone past 10 now. Yeah, I'm gonna call it a night, guys, because I've had a busy day. We did a lot of work in the apartment, and moving day is coming up so soon. All this hard work is like paying off. Living together is just going to be amazing. I can't wait, because even like when we were together in Portugal for the few days, I was like, I am so excited to live with you, and he was like, I'm so excited to live with you. It's just going to be amazing. So that is us done for the day. All the cleaning done, all the grouting cleaned, all the cutting in that we did with the paint and stuff done and dusted. And oh, John's mom came over and she brought over a chopping board for us for our bread, like a bread board, and it was exactly what I needed, because I was looking at one today and I was going to buy one. John's mommy hooked me up. Yeah, it's just so exciting now, like getting ready to move in and stuff and live with my best friend. I can't wait. Anyway guys, I'm gonna love yous and leave yous. I hope you had a fabulous day. I know I did, and I'm gonna talk to you all tomorrow for more fun and adventures. Love you guys. Mwah. Night night.